Welcome to this video training, and in this training I'm going to show you how to create your YouTube channel. Right, so for example, you want to create a YouTube channel, you don't know how to do it, or you already have a YouTube channel and you want to add additional one to it, but you don't know how to do it. So in this video I'm going to show you how to do that. Right, so before we go into the training proper, if you are seeing my channel for the first time, please make sure that you subscribe so that anytime I upload videos like this, you will be the first one to get the notification. Alright, so let's dive into the training now. So go to your Google Chrome, then type youtube.com. Once it loads, it will take you this interface, or if you have not logged into your YouTube account before, it will not bring you to this interface. So what you need to do is for you to sign up into your YouTube account with your Gmail. So once you sign up, it will bring you to this interface. So the next thing you need to do is click on your profile. Alright, so if you already have a YouTube account before, you will see your channel, but if you don't have a YouTube account before, you will not see channel. So let me log into a different account that I have not created a channel for. So let me use this account. Alright, so for somebody that has not created a YouTube channel before, once you log into once you sign up to your YouTube with your Gmail account, if you click on your profile, so your profile is going to look like this. If you click on your profile, so the next thing you need to do is, if you don't have an account before, just create and click on create a channel. So if you click on create a channel, it will bring you to this interface. So you enter the name of the channel that you want to create. So you just enter the name of the channel, then you type in the name of the channel, then you type in the name of the handle that you want to use for the channel, then you click on create. So that is how to create a channel if you are creating it from a start. Alright, so let's go back. Right, for somebody that already have a YouTube channel and you want to add more channel to your channel, if you want to get more channel, maybe you want to add a second channel, the third channel, the 10th channel, so what you need to do is just you can either click on channel or you click on setting, so whichever one, the two are the same. So let me just click on channel. You click on channel, then it will take you to this interface. Then you click on this three dot on your left hand side. It will bring this interface. Then you click on setting. So once you take you to this interface, then you go to add or manage channel. Then it will bring into this interface, so you can see all the channel that you already have before. So for you to create a new channel, click on create a channel. So it will bring you to this interface. So here you enter the name of the channel. So what is the name that you want to use for the channel? So you just enter the name of the channel that you want to create. So once you enter the name of the channel, then you click on create. Then it will bring you to this interface. So here you select your country. So you enter your phone number. So you enter your verification code. Once you enter your verification code, then it will take you to the next interface. Alright, so once you enter the verification code, it will bring into this interface, which means you have successfully created your YouTube channel. So the next thing you need to do is for you to customize your channel. So to do that, you click on customize channel. So you can add a channel trailer for people who haven't subscribed. So this channel trailer, once they log into your channel for the first time, it will help them so that they will know what you are doing, then so help them to subscribe. So it will give them overview of everything about your channel. Then you can also add a featuring video for returning subscriber. For people that have watched a video before, once they return to your channel, you can add the video to them that they will see to welcome them back into your channel. Then you can add an image to your channel. So you can create an image, upload an image to your channel. Alright, so click on basic info to add some other basic information. So you can add your handle, your channel handle, then your channel description. So let's add the channel description. So just add a description of your channel. Then you can add a link to your channel. Then you can add a contact info. So you can add your email address to your channel. Then a channel URL that you can send to people to subscribe to your channel. So your channel handle, let's edit your channel handle. So once you are done with all the info, then click on publish. So once you are done with all the information, then go to your basic to upload the profile picture to your channel. So you click on upload to upload the profile picture. Then you can also add a cover picture, and you can also add a video watermark to your channel. So let's add a profile picture. So click on upload. Then you take it to your gallery. Then you select the picture that you want to use. So you upload the picture, then click on done. Then you go to your banner for your channel. So you click on upload. So click on upload to upload the banner picture that you want to add. So you select the picture that you want to add, then click on done. So you can adjust the picture, then click on done. Then you can move to the next one, which is your video watermarks that can show on every video that you post on your channel. So you go and look for the picture that you want to use for the video watermark. So to do that, you first of all go to the video watermark, then click on upload. Then you select the picture that you want to use for the video watermark that you want to upload for the video watermark. So you click on done. So once you are done with all your settings, then you can put it at if you want it to appear at the beginning, click the beginning, the middle. So depend on where you want it to appear. So once you are done with everything, you cross check everything, then you click on publish. So that is how to set your channel. So once you are done with everything, click on publish. So this is how to create your YouTube channel. So we got value for this training.